Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you about blood glucose regulation and the effects of insulin and glucagon on the body. First, we're going to talk about functions of the pancreas. The pancreas is the hormone-secreting gland in the body and one of the major players of the endocrine system. It is responsible for regulating the amount of sugar and glucose in the bloodstream at any given time. The two most important hormones that are secreted are glucagon and insulin, which are responsible for maintaining the correct amount of sugar and glucose in the bloodstream. These two hormones target all body cells except for brain cells. Why is it important? Because it affects glucose. Glucose is a major fuel for cell respiration, along with being the source of production of organic materials all throughout the body. Without regulation, normal and daily processes will not be able to function correctly. The first of these is insulin. Insulin is responsible for lowering the amount of glucose in the body. When the glucose level in the body rises higher than the average, which is about 90 to 120 milligrams per 100 milliliters of blood. When the glucose level in the body rises higher than the average, then the insulin is secreted by the pancreas into the circulatory system. The glucose is then removed from the blood and stored as glycogen. The glucose level in the body returns to normal, and the insulin secretion stops. The other hormone is glucagon. When the glucose level in the body drops below the normal level, glucagon is secreted by the pancreas into the circulatory system. The liver then breaks down the glycogen and releases the glucose into the bloodstream. When the glucose level in the body rises again, the glucagon secretion stops. However, these two processes don't always run smoothly. Things can go wrong. One of these things is diabetes. This is the best known endocrine disorder and the most common. There are two types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. With type 1, there is little to no insulin being produced in the body. This destroys a person's ability to make insulin. It usually appears within childhood and can continue into adulthood. The only known treatment of diabetes type 1 is through injections of insulin by needle into the body several times daily. There is no permanent cure. Type 2 is the more common version. This is associated with a lack of response to raise the glucose levels or a problem with the insulin receptors. The body doesn't realize that the blood glucose level is higher or lower than the normal, so things go wrong. Type 2 diabetes can be hereditary, but is more often caused by a sedentary lifestyle to people who are severely overweight. This means that diabetes type 2 can happen to anybody, from childhood into adulthood. Along with type 1, there is no cure, but the treatment is diet and exercise, along with the possibility of some form of drug therapy, possibly through pills. A person with type 1 or type 2 can live a healthy and normal lifestyle, along with regulation. That's it. Hope you guys enjoy the presentation. Thank you.